Here at Kathy Stevenson, access is going to be through the driveway over that way or around the right side of the house. We have an uprooted tree here. It's an insurance claim. Company's coming out to kind of take a look at it. Coming this week. Just destroyed the fence here, some of the hot tub pool cover, the fence over here. This Trek siding and on the top is cracked or falling, at least the weight of the tree. You can see how it split it there. It's just pulling it down. So we're gonna need a couple boards matching that same color. Did tell him about the sun fading. Getting underneath, you can kind of see what it's doing. It's pulling away there. So replacing this whole side and then a couple boards back, maybe 2 or 3, just depending what happens with the tree. It's a pretty big tree. And then coming into here, take a little bit of you can kind of see the siding up there. It's scratched going up, and there's a piece taken out, so cracked at some places. It hit up there and then slid down. So replacing some of that siding if we're able to do that. Same color. It's like an off-white. There's probably scratches underneath those branches too, so maybe just evaluating that once we get there. Window over here to watch out for. Windows down there and there. Didn't break any of the windows, luckily. Ouch. But yeah, removing this. And then the hole where it uprooted, we're going to be filling them with some soil, seed and straw. It's probably like a solid 70 feet, I would say, maybe more, 70, 80. Coming off of the, just removing all this stuff, filling this in with soil, stump grinding the roots that are sticking out, that you can see, making it look nicer after it is repaired. Something I do want to point out is it's split here, so I'm not sure if that'll play a factor in anything, safety hazard wise. But just repairing all this. There's a branch that kind of goes up that way as well, so you can see. That's pretty much it.